very heavily involved.
Yeah, the team were brilliant, just making sure.
So singing is very important.
I lost my pitch. It was very strange. The first night I was on a shared ward, there was the sound of the music, and I loved the show. And I tried to sing in go, the dear, the human dear, ray, the golden ray of sun, me, the name I call myself, but I could not hit a single note. Like I didn't lose my voice or my leg. I was really lucky. I just lost my left arm, which is recovering now.
Thank you.
Are you based out of here?
No, we're based out of M5 and 4.
Oh, okay. Yeah, very good. Cover quite a lot of territory from there. We were at Dobby's yesterday. Not
I
yesterday.
think too.
Yeah.
That was myself.
That was it. Michael was going down with the leg.
Yes, we had 2 air ambulances and 3 land ambulances and 2 fire ambulances.
They said it was a single vehicle.
Single air 33 occupants.
I just assumed it was somebody coming out of Dobby's who was. So do you do certain areas, or do you go literally anywhere?
I stay in Stroud, so I'm straight.
When you say like responding,
Pictures from their own cars.
ex-service, teach them to fly, which is an interesting concept, to become we don't know this stuff.
My husband died. So you're excited. Hello. So sorry. You've got a little baby child now, 3 years old probably.
He'll be 2 in about 2 weeks. I'll show you a picture.
Oh yes, thank you.
He's
Come along and meet colleagues from North Bristol Trust who are involved in her care and treatment at Southmead Hospital, as well as our colleagues from South West Ambulance Foundation Trust and Great Western Air Ambulance Charity. We feel very privileged to have you come and see us, and I know staff who've talked to you earlier today have been very, very grateful to hear that you've made such a lovely recovery and look so well today. We're absolutely thrilled and delighted to hear that. And I think everyone who has been involved in your care has been wishing you well, and so grateful that you would take this time to come and personally say thank you to everybody. It means a huge lot to everyone in the NHS, and we're very, very grateful for your time today.
Pleasure.
Thank you so much. I know that you are very, very busy and you have to attend to lots of other things today, so we are particularly delighted that you have spent longer than you had been scheduled already. And so many of us have had a chance to
Just
speak
filling in
to
the
you.
blanks, that's the point.
Yes. So, don't know if there's anything you wanted to say.
Well, no, as I said, you've been filling in the blanks. I mean, it's partly from my perspective, it's really useful to know what kind of happened, because I seriously don't have any idea. And sadly, I don't have huge memories of being in here either, but I just know I was really well looked after, so thank you. But whatever you did, it seemed to work. Both the example and the recovery have been relatively straightforward, thankfully. That isn't always true, so I'm really grateful. But I'm also grateful in a weird sort of way that I remember nothing, because that has huge advantages. You can just carry on. And I don't know if there was a perpetrator or that managed to do that much damage. I'm not letting on either. So the relationships remain absolutely secure. Nobody's gone absent as a result of this. Good. I don't know who did it. But thank you very much indeed. I think it's you have more than enough trouble with people coming in, taking it home. Thank you.